Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to use a controller on MuMu Emulator. Connecting a controller makes gaming smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. First, open the MuMu Emulator on your Windows PC. Next, make sure your controller is connected via USB or Bluetooth. Check that your PC recognizes it before proceeding. Then, go to the settings in MuMu and select Controller or Gamepad Settings. Choose Add Controller or Map buttons, depending on your version. Now, map the buttons according to your preferences. You can assign keys for movement, actions, and special controls to match your gameplay style. After mapping, save the configuration and launch your game. Test the controller to ensure all buttons respond correctly. That's it. Your controller is now ready to use on MuMu, giving you a more comfortable and precise gaming experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.